Hello everyone, you're again welcome to Jaded Law Channel. Again, this remains that law-based channel where your legal needs are met, where your questions are answered, and of course, your issues are addressed. I remain your host, Mrs. Omonigo Obe. Still on domestic violence, I promised I was going to give some tips on how to stay safe, especially at this time where we're having the lockdown. So spouses are together 24/7, and with information that we're getting is that domestic violence has actually been on the increase since the lockdown. So I just want you to stay safe. I know that these tips would help you because that's helped other women. What is the first tip? Be alert. What exactly does this mean? I am sure by now you know the things that you do or say, or the things that happen in the home that make your spouse to be agitated, upset, frustrated. Ensure you avoid such. Okay, so if for any reason after you've done everything you still perceive he's agitated, upset, just be alert, watch out for the signs, and ensure that you leave the environment where he's at to avoid being abused, to avoid being beaten. Okay, now number 2, ensure you have a place in your apartment, in your home, that you can call a safe haven. What do I mean? When you want to take a duck, when you want to run, ensure you don't get to the kitchen. You know there are knives, wooden sticks and stuffs in the kitchen that he can use if he gets really infuriated to hit you. So ensure you don't run to the kitchen. Have a safe haven, a place where you can seek solace. Ensure in that place you rearrange and keep away things that can act as weapons for that can act as a weapon, okay, against you. So ensure you have a safe haven. Number 3, ensure you always have emergency fund. If you have a car, ensure that you always have petrol in your car, so that when the madness starts, you can always find an escape route and get out of that vicinity if you can. And number 4, have a code, have a friend, have somebody that you can always relate with at a time like this. What do I mean by you having a code? You can always send a text message to that particular friend or family member that you can trust, that you have discussed with, that knows the particular situation you're facing, and you can send a message as it could be, you can say to the person, if I send to you I'm hungry or I'm hot or something, a code. The person quickly understand that there's trouble, and the person should be someone who actually lives around your area, who can easily drive down and come to the rescue when you are actually in a situation of this nature. I hope that you'll keep safe. I trust you will. And please do not keep quiet after this lockdown is over. If you're facing an abuse, ensure that you seek help. You don't have to die in that relationship. Okay, you don't have to die in that relationship. A lot of women have suffered, a lot of women have died. You shouldn't be part of this number. I trust that you will do the needful, and when this is over, we'll see you at the end of this. Okay, all right. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. Ensure that you subscribe to this channel and get other people to do the same thing. Next week we'll be talking still on domestic violence on something else, and I'm sure you don't want to miss it. All right, we also have another lady who gave her testimony on how she got out of an abusive relationship. You do not want to miss this. Trust me, you don't. Okay, I'll see you next week. Stay safe and be good. Bye-bye.